When justice speaks, it echoes loud and clear. In a recent landmark verdict, former President Donald Trump has been ordered to pay a staggering $83.3 million in damages. This decision was announced by U.S. District Judge Lewis Kaplan, who presided over a trial that sought to quantify the damages resulting from Trump's defamatory comments about E. Jean Carroll's sexual assault allegations. Carroll, a writer, had bravely stood her ground in a legal battle that was as much about personal dignity as it was about financial compensation. The jury, in a statement that reverberated in courtrooms across the nation, awarded her $65 million in punitive damages and an additional $18.3 million in compensatory damages. This trial was distinct from a previous civil trial where Trump was found to have sexually abused Carroll and defamed her, for which the jury had already awarded Carroll an additional $5 million in damages. Trump's legal team has stated their intention to appeal the verdict, but as of now, the judgment stands. As the gavel fell, the world watched, and the ramifications of this verdict are only beginning to unfold. The road to this verdict has been long and fraught with tension. Let's delve into the chronological events that led to this monumental decision. Our journey starts with a previous civil trial. In this case, former President Donald Trump was found to have sexually abused E. Jean Carroll and defamed her. This was a significant step towards justice, as it not only recognized the harm done to Carroll, but also held Trump accountable for his actions. The court awarded Carroll $5 million in damages, a sum indicative of the severity of the case. However, the narrative does not end there. The recent trial had a different focus. It was not about determining guilt or innocence. That had already been established. This trial was about quantifying the harm, about attaching a dollar amount to the pain and damage inflicted on Carroll. It was about sending a clear message that such behavior would not be tolerated and that the consequences would be severe. And indeed, the consequences were severe. The jury awarded Carroll $65 million in punitive damages. This was a clear rebuke of Trump's actions, a signal that his behavior was not only unacceptable but deserving of significant punishment. Additionally, they awarded Carroll $18.3 million in compensatory damages. This was to account for the actual harm she had suffered, the tangible and intangible costs that had been inflicted upon her. In the face of adversity, Carroll stood her ground, testifying about the danger she felt after receiving death threats from Trump supporters. Her courage and resilience are a testament to the power of standing up for truth and justice, no matter how difficult the journey may be. This verdict is not just about the numbers, it's about the message it sends and the consequences that follow. The verdict in the case of E. Jean Carroll versus Donald Trump is a significant one. It carries implications that extend far beyond the courtroom, reaching into the realms of reputation, finances, and societal norms. Trump, a former president, is now faced with an $83.3 million bill, a sum that, regardless of his estimated net worth of $2.6 billion, is no small change. Trump's intention to appeal the ruling is not surprising. However, this does not diminish the weight of the verdict. It sends a clear message that defamatory comments and actions, especially those that demean and belittle victims of sexual assault, will not be tolerated. It also brings to light the serious consequences of such behavior, even for individuals who once held the highest office in the land. But let's delve deeper into the significance of this case. Carroll is one of approximately 24 women who have accused Trump of sexual assault or misconduct, yet she is the only one who has taken her allegations to trial. This verdict, therefore, does not only represent justice for Carroll, but it also gives voice to the other women who have made similar accusations. It paves the way for a more transparent, equitable, and accountable society, where victims of sexual assault are heard and justice is served. Financially, this verdict could have a significant impact on Trump's fortunes. While his net worth is estimated at $2.6 billion, the $83.3 million judgment, along with the potential payouts from other pending legal cases, could chip away at his financial empire. Moreover, this verdict could have a lasting impact on Trump's reputation. It has highlighted his alleged misconduct and the resulting legal consequences, casting a long shadow over his past and future endeavors. In the end, this verdict serves as a stark reminder: no one is above the law, and justice, though delayed, is never denied.